Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I was flying today my BPUP 2 Power over one of our soccer fields where my kids play soccer. So we have like 3 fields side by side, so this is ideal to do some testing when I want to do like high-speed things. I know what happened just here. I guess I just hit the controls on the controller. Yeah, so I use this field a lot for testing high-speed flights with some of my drones. And then I saw this river. I didn't know there was a river there behind the soccer field. So I thought, oh, let's go have a look. So now I'm approximately 500 meters from my starting location. And I thought, okay, let's go have a look at this river. And actually I'm a bit disappointed. As you can see, it's more like a swamp than a river. And have a lot of experience flying, so I know that if I fly above a river, I am basically safe. I'm not going to hit any trees. So here I'm checking on the left side to make sure I am far away from the trees, because I know there are trees between me in the soccer field and this river on the left hand side. So I thought, okay, let's go have a look. You can see here the wind. Look at the wind in that bush ahead of us. That wind is probably around 25 kilometers per hour, or around well, maybe like 17 miles per hour. So I'm going to go around that bush because I want to see where that river goes on the left. So I'm high enough. I know there is no problem here. I think here I was at about 15 meters above the ground. So sorry for the color. It's not a nice blue or green or view beach, just a river. So you can see here the trees on the left was a little too close when I saw that after on my PC, but here I feel more comfortable. As you can see at this point. So there's a little island here. I'm just going forward before I decide to just hit return home, because I didn't want to go further. I am more than 500 meters, about 500 meters, because I was doing like a circle. So now I just hit the return home. Now the drone is going up to 20 meters. This is the default for Parrot. Look at that tree. That's the only big tree in the whole park. And that tree is just above 20 meters. When I saw that on my screen, I hit the gas, if I can say that, to go a bit higher than 20 meters, and I barely made it above the trees. So, and now back to the soccer field, and that's my car over there. So just to show here that I hope Parrot will make it possible to change the return to home height, because 20 meters, if you are doing like lakes, rivers, and you know you have trees on the shores, 20 meters is not high enough. We need like 30. You can see here right there the big tree. So I would like to change it to 30 meters basically. So I was a bit unlucky here, because that tree was exactly between my location and my return to home location. So a bit unlucky, but I made it. So well, thank you guys, and I hope Parrot is watching this video, because it's important for us to be able to change the return to home flight height. So have a great day, and as always, if you have any questions, put them down below. I'll be happy to get back to you. Goodbye guys.